Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how you can fix your undetected USB drive 100% in your PC. If you are new here, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. Let us get started. Go ahead and insert the USB drive into the PC. As you can see, we have just the C drive and Google Drive, Drive G. The USB drive is not showing even though I have plugged it into the computer. Let's fix it now. First, we right-click and select Manage. Now, click on Disk Management and wait. Let's have the two windows on the screen to see what happens. As we can see, we have disk 1, which is my USB drive here in disk management. But it is not showing in my computer. Let's do the magic. Right click here. Click on Change Driver Letter and Paths. Click Add. We can select any letter that is not in use. Let's select D. Click OK. Now we can see that the USB drive is now showing up in my computer. Let's open it and see the contents. The contents are all still there. So friends, this is how you can easily fix your USB drive problem. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos like this.